So first thing is to grab the poles and pop the nut on the first one. These will be the poles that go through the bar eventually. So we need to secure the first one, grab the other pole and secure the second. So grab the other one and secure that one. Don't chuck it everywhere. So now we're going to put this through the bar like so. Grab another nut and pop that on the end. So the idea is that these two can be loosened, tightened, and you can move the pole left and right as you need it for your bracket. Bit confused there, but yep, that goes there. Then grab the other nut and tighten that on. So you can stop there, but these other two nuts that go on top just stop the bracket from, or your iPad or your tablet holder from popping off the top. They're not needed, but may as well pop them on. So then we go over to the car. Voila. Pop the first of the mounting brackets in. Can be a little bit tight, but yeah, push that in. Bit fiddly, or I'm making it look harder than it is. And then there's a couple more nuts just to go on the top there. That stops the whole thing from lifting off the brackets once it's in the chair. So the mounting to the actual chair, you'll see that there's some sort of ridges if you push the leather a little bit. So you want to clip the top ones in first, get those in, and then clip it down at the bottom. And that's nice and secure. So then you can stick whatever tablet holder you've got. There's loads of different ones, but they all should fit. This is one we've had for a while. And then you can stick those little sort of secure caps on top. Again, just to stop it lifting off. And then that's that. So taking it off, you could either leave the bracket in, but this is just to show you because it's kind of in the way. So take this off and then you lift it up from the bottom. So the two bottom clips that's on the chair, you just kind of like pull those outwards and then you lift it up. And that's it.